Number 3. Liz is working on her plan to create a device that will use sound waves to communicate yes or no answers to her friends' questions. She fills 2 glass bottles with the same amount of water. The picture shows her device. She will tap each of the bottles once with a spoon to create 2 different sounds. One bottle will produce a high-pitched sound when tapped with the spoon, and the other bottle will make a low-pitched sound. She explains to her friend that the lower pitch means no, and the higher pitch means yes. Will her device be able to communicate the yes or no messages using different pitches? A. Yes, she will be able to create different pitches of sound because both bottles are filled with water all the way to the top. B. Yes, she will be able to create different pitches of sound if she hits one bottle lightly and the other bottle very hard. C. No, she will not be able to produce any sound at all because the jars are filled with water. Or D. No, she will not be able to produce different pitches. Both bottles will have the same pitch when tapped with the spoon because the water levels are the same.